you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a Shopify dropshipping store with Zendrop. I'll also be showing you how to add products from Zendrop on your Shopify store. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Shopify account, which you can do for completely free, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Apps. After doing that, you're going to see a pop-up and more than likely you're going to see Zendrop right here and you're going to tap on Install. If you don't see Zendrop right there, what I would recommend you do is tap on Shopify App Store. Then once on the Shopify App Store page, and if you don't see Zendrop right here either, you're going to simply tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Zendrop and you can select Zendrop right there. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on it and you can install it for completely free. So you're going to tap on Install, then you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on Install once more. After you have installed Zendrop, you will be redirected to the Zendrop dashboard. And from here, you can create an account. So all you'll need to do is tap right here. And then from there, you can enter your password. So let me do that real quick. Then you'll tap on sign up. Once you have signed up, as you can see right here, you'll be redirected to the Zendrop dashboard. Now it is time to start importing our products. The first thing you could do, you could type in the type of product that you want right here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to create a Shopify store that I'll be selling bracelets. I could type in bracelets right here in the search bar. Then from there, you can decide where you would like it to be shipped from. So I could select US, for example. After doing that, you could select the categories. As you can see, the different categories right here. You can also select the price range. But let's say I were to tap on enter, you can see where it is available in. So if I were to select ships from anywhere, you can scroll down and then you can see the different products right there, and I could tap on add to my products. So if I were to tap on add to my products, after doing that, I would simply go over to the left hand menu option, tap on my products. Then from there, you can see the bracelet that I had selected. And all I would need to do is tap on review and publish. Then from there, you can scroll down. You can look how the product looks. You can select description and you can edit the description. You can see the different variants. You can see the different mock-up image. So I could unselect a couple of these mock-up images if I wanted to. After doing all of this, you'll simply go back and tap on product right there. Then you'll tap on publish to my store. After doing that, you can tap on confirm. After tapping on confirm, you're going to give it a few seconds while the product is being published. Once the product has been published, all you'll need to do now, you could go back into Shopify and from there you will see the product. So you can see right there that it has been published. So if I were to go back into Shopify right now, then from there go over to the top left hand corner and select products, you're going to see the product right here. So I could tap on preview on store and you can see the product that we have added right here and you can see the product page right there. Now if it is a case that you would like to import products directly from AliExpress, all you would need to do is simply go back onto Zendrop. Case that you would like to import products from AliExpress, all you would need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to tap on AliExpress import. After doing that, I want you to tap on download Chrome extension. Once you have tapped on download Chrome extension, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll simply tap on add extension. Once you have added the extension, you're going to see a purple icon right here. So you're going to simply tap on the purple icon and you're going to sign in. So you're going to sign in. Once you have signed in, we're now going to go onto AliExpress. So after adding the extension, for example, if you're on AliExpress, all you'll need to do is select the product. So let's say, for example, I were to select this product right here. So I would simply tap on the product. Then once you are redirected to the product page, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner where you see the Zendrop icon. You're going to tap on that. Then you will tap on Add to Import List. Some of the time you have to press it 2 times, as you can see right there. After you have tapped on it the second time, you can see that product has been added. Now if I were to go back into Zendrop, then tap on Import List. After selecting my products from the left hand menu option, I were to tap on Import List, you can see that it has been added right here. So all I would need to do is tap on Review and Publish. Then you could tap on Publish to my store. So you can see it right there. It is now being published. And again, I could tap on Import List, and then I could tap on Review and Publish for the next item. Then tap on Publish to my store. So you can see unable to add this product. Shopify does not allow more than 100 variants. So all I would need to do is cut down the amount of variants right here. So I could cut down the amount of variants. Once it is below 100, we'll be able to add it. So after cutting down the amount of variants, you could tap on Publish to my store, and that would be it. So you'll simply go through and cut down the amount of variants. Now, if I were to go back into Shopify and refresh the product page, you will see the newly added products right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.